Lodi ukuthi amakhosi Silo athatha isinqumo esijulileyo sokuthi aqede nya lokuthi uhulumeni nje ayibone nje isikhulu phezu kwamakhosi. Aqede nya Silo ukuthi uhulumeni ayibone engaphezu kwamakhosi. Mphemba nguphosola inselele. We don't want to feel like you are doing us any favor as the government. You are not doing us any zero favor. By having so much resources, which are our money, should never amount to Hulumeni to say sikhulu phezu kwamakhosi, to an extent that we are going to be dictated to ukuthi inofanele bayenzele. Izo ayiphele le nto leyo. Amakhosi Silo awahlonishwe njengoba kufanele, because we are not ceremonial people. Ababizwa ukuthi nje bekhuleka kuthiwa shenge kuphele lapho. We've got a duty and a responsibility. Ukubuka izizwe zakithi akusikhona ukuthi simodeli lesamakhosi nentuthuko into yasentshonalanga. Beyiphila izizwe namakhosi ephila. Yabona nje inkosi mina ngikhule Silo. Uma abantu bezokwenza izethulo lapho lokuhulumeni athi fanele badeclare, which is nonsense. It's because people knew ukuthi uma siyonikela inkosi izwebekela thina ngoba yonke intandane nomfelokazi kubo kuphi ngonyama wazi kangcono Silo. Akekho odlula emgwaqeni nohlanya uma ngene emzini womuntu balikhibisha bethi nakhe esigodlweni. Afika ngene Silo wehle ulingana afike phansi umkhange izibula. When it comes to matters of social cohesion, politicians have failed. Basehlukanisa benze yonke imikhuba yabo kuphela ngamakhosi ayofeza lokho. Ngakho ngwenyama ukugcoba kwakho lapha akubona ukufeza umsebenzi owusholo, kodwa kuzoqinisa nomuzi wakho lona ke. Ngakho iSilo amashenge onke ehlangene athi athule endubeni inkabe 5 Silo ukuthi umuzi wakho lona.